What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off lights on your Roku TV. Now over here I have the TCL Roku TV, but this should work for any brand of Roku TV you have. So if you usually have this LED standby light at the bottom of your Roku TV that shows when the TV is turned off, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to turn off this LED light if you find it annoying and you don't want it to always show at the bottom of your Roku TV once the TV is turned off. Now quickly, what you want to do is to come over to your Roku TV, whichever Roku TV you have, come over to your Roku TV remote and then go ahead and turn on the TV. And once your Roku TV is turned on, you just want to scroll over to the settings of the TV. So come over to the settings and then scroll down until you get to the system settings at the bottom over here. Select system settings and then also scroll down until you get to power. Now scroll down until you get to the standby LED lights, which is basically the LED light that usually shows at the bottom when the TV is turned off. Now go ahead and select it and then make sure that you turn this to off. Now once this is turned off, the light that usually show at the bottom of your Roku TV, regardless of whatever brand of Roku TV you're using, will automatically be turned off as well once the TV is off. So I'll go ahead and turn off my Roku TV now. And as you can see, the LED light at the bottom of the TV is no longer showing. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.